My name's Adrian Patterson. I'm a design manager working on the concept design of our offshore wind farm projects. It's my role to understand how big our projects should be, where they should be placed, and how we should lay out the turbines. I also have a part to play in understanding the conditions at the site, so for example wind speeds, wave conditions and so on. There are a surprising number of constraints in the sea, things like pipelines, sand waves, deep water areas, and so we do a lot of work to try and understand those constraints and design a layout that accommodates them as best we possibly can. When you're at school, I guess it's often difficult to know where you really want to end up. The subjects I enjoyed were things like sciences, but also things like art and so on as well, and more practical stuff. In the end, I took maths and physics because I decided I wanted to do an engineering degree. Naval architecture is a degree which focuses on the design and analysis of marine vehicles and structures. I quite like the idea of working on ships and boats, and I've always had a love for the ocean and water in general. So I did a naval architecture degree at Southampton University, which I really enjoyed. I've been involved in the construction of hundreds of offshore wind turbines, which feels like a really practical contribution to the environment. It's really important to me to be able to do something which is helping the environment and helping to solve some of these huge problems that the world's facing at the moment. To be able to come to work and work on projects that are really directly solving problems that you see in the papers every day is a real privilege.